So hi everyone, welcome to my video. In this we will see how we can create a custom event listener. For this we have a simple UI. We have a button called click here. Yeah, let's head to the interesting part or the actual code part. So nothing complicated here. We have button with a click event declared with an arrow function that is button clicked. In button click we have an creating a custom event and calling or dispatching that event using a dispatch method. Custom event declaration is attached to the Windows object and using add event listener method. So if we need to pass an argument to custom events, we are using custom event class and passing argument, which can be used as a generic call in order to show notification in an applications. That is one of the use. Finally, displaying an alert inside the function. So now let's see how it behaves in the UI. So now let me click on the click here button. So we are getting a mouse click event triggered alert. So when we go to the code, we see that we have commented few of the custom event call code. So currently we are just not passing any of the argument. If we want to pass an argument, we can uncomment this, right? So now I saved it. If I click, I am seeing error mouse click event triggered. So error is getting print from the title of it. If the title is there, then only it is printing title. So this is how the event listeners we can add as a, like our custom event listener we can add into the application. Thanks for watching.